Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, in previous video we have learned about properties of air. Now in this video we will learn about air pollution, ways to reduce air pollution and airborne diseases. So let's start now. Children, open the EVS book at page number 57. Air pollution. Now children, what is air pollution? The presence of unwanted harmful substances in the air is termed as air pollution. Air pollution is the mixing of smoke, dust and germs with the air. So children, man pollutes air in many ways. We should keep the air clean. Otherwise, we will have to breathe polluted air. This is not good for our health. Now, we will learn about some major causes of air pollution. So children, number 1 is smoke released from vehicles pollute the environment. Children, next is dust released when houses and roads are built. Children, next is burning of waste or garbage produces smoke in the air. Children, next is smoke from burning of crackers also makes the air impure. Children, next is smoke from industries and manufacturing activities. Almost all types of industries emit a lot of smoke that is released into the atmosphere and pollutes the air. Children, open the book at page number 58. Children, next is ways to reduce air pollution. The air pollution has many bad effects on the health of people. It is the cause of many skin problems, breathing problems, irritation in eyes and respiratory disorder in human beings. So children, therefore it is very important to reduce the air pollution. Some of the ways by which we can reduce air pollution are: so children, number 1 is reforestation. The quality of air can be improved by planting more and more trees in our surroundings as they clean and filter the air. Children, next is more public transport should be used to travel from one place to another to reduce the number of vehicles on road. Children, next is avoid usage of crackers. The use of crackers during festivals and weddings is sadly one of the biggest contributors to air pollution, leading to a layer of smog which is extremely harmful for health. Children, next is walk or use bicycles for going to nearby places. Children, next is garbage should not be burned. It should be disposed of, and dustbins should be kept covered. Children, next is factories should be set up outside the city. Children, next is avoid the use of plastic bags. The use of plastic bags could be very harmful to the environment as they take a very long time to decompose. The use of paper bags instead of plastic bags is a better alternative as they decompose easily and are recyclable. Children, now open the book at page number 58. Children, next is airborne diseases. What are airborne diseases? Germs present in the air spread many diseases. The diseases that spread through air are called airborne diseases. Children, in most of the cases, airborne diseases are contracted when someone breathes in infected air. Means if someone is going to inhale the infected air, they are going to contract the airborne diseases. Some of the common airborne diseases are COVID-19 or corona influenza, common cold, chickenpox, measles, mumps, etc. Children, and also polluted air causes many respiratory diseases like asthma, infection of lungs and throat. Now children, to prevent these diseases, we should take care of the following things. Number 1, we must grow enough plants near roads and our homes as they help in purifying air. Children, next is we should cover our mouth with a mask while going out. Children, next is we should cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. Children, next is we should wash our hands regularly. Children, precaution is better than cure. Everyone should be made aware of harmful effects of air pollution, and each and every one of us should try out ways which can reduce air pollution. Children, now open the book at page number 60. Children, first mention the date, write 27th assignment, write h.w. Then mention your name, class, section. Now come to the question. Question A. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill up these blanks. Number 1. Air has no smell. Here we will write smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. So children, air has no smell. Done, children? Now come to the next, number 2. Air dash on heating. Air expands on heating. Here we will write expands. E-X-P-A-N-D-S. Expands. So air expands on heating. Done, children? Number 3. The smoke from cars and factories dash air around us. Yes, children, the smoke from cars and factories pollute air around us. Very good. Here we will write spelling of pollute. P-O-L-L-U-T-E. Pollute. So the smoke from cars and factories pollute air around us. Done, children? Number 4. We should dash our mouth while sneezing or coughing. We should cover. Here we will write cover. C-O-V-E-R. Cover. We should cover our mouth while sneezing or coughing. Done, children? Now come to the next question. B. Match the following. You have to match column 1 with column 2. Number 1. Common cold. Yes, common cold. A. Causes air pollution. B. Reduces pollution. C. Airborne disease. D. Expands on heating. So common cold is very good, children. Airborne disease. Match it with C. Done, children? Come to the next. Number 2. Smoke. Smoke. A. Causes air pollution. B. Reduces pollution. D. Expands on heating. Smoke. Very good, children. A. Smoke causes air pollution. Match it with A. Smoke causes air pollution. Number 3. Air reduces pollution, expands on heating. Yes, tell me, children. Air expands on heating. Very good, children. D. Match it with D. Air expands on heating. Number 4. Use bicycle. Use bicycle reduces pollution. Match it with B. Match it with B. Done, children? Now take out your EVS sphere notebook. Children, first you will mention your name, class, section, then write 27th assignment. Mention the date. Write lesson 7 h.w. Lesson name air. Now come to the question. Children, we have already done question number 1, 2, 3 in previous video. So in this video we'll start from question number 4. Here you will write QUE.4. Question number 4. What is air pollution? Answer. The mixing of smoke, dust and germs with the air is called air pollution. Done, children? Come to the next line. Here you will write QUE dot. Fill in the blanks. We have to do fill in the blanks given in page number 60. Okay, children? So children, in this video we have learned air pollution, causes of air pollution, ways to reduce air pollution, airborne diseases. In next video, we will continue with exercise and revise this chapter again.